Hi, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today we're working on a motorcycle gas tank. This motorcycle is a 2017 Harley Davidson Street Glide Screaming Eagle CVO. First off, we have the customer pull the gas tank off of this bike and drain it of all the gas and take the fuel pump assembly out of it. Then we mount it to our motorcycle tank vise. Here's what the damage looks like. These two dents here on the top here actually have some minor paint damage in them. These minor paint imperfections will remain after the dents have been repaired. The customer was aware of this prior to the repairs, and they were okay with it because their only alternative is to have the tank completely repainted. Here's what the damage looks like under our dent repair lights. This is the damage towards the bottom of the tank. And here's the dent towards the top. This is the minor one over on the right side. And the minor crease on the right side. Here's a look at what the access is from the inside. As you can see, it's pretty wide open. But sometimes too much access is a bad thing. That's why we have this. What this is a prying plate. So essentially this is installed where the fuel pump assembly would go, and this allows us to have something to pry off of when working this damage out. Now we're mounting our heat gun assembly to the tank. This paint needs to be kept at a temperature anywhere from 160 to 190 degrees at all times while we're working these dents out. One side done, one to go. Here's a look at the temperature gauge we're using. This bike's reading out at just over 170 degrees. As you can see, the whole entire time we're working on this, we're constantly changing tools and tip styles. So a lot of these tips will actually wear out because of the extreme heat applied to the paint and applied to the gas tank. So we're actually switching tips throughout the process quite often. Alright, so here's a look at the finished results. Here's a look at the remainder of that paint flaw. Now all that's left is to remove it from the tank vise. So does your motorcycle tank have a dent in it? Well, if it does, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061.